G'day, it's Pete. How you going? Today we've landed out at Dalby, about 3 hours west of Brisbane, picking up a load of cotton. Something a bit different today. There's no aluminium running at the moment, so I've jumped across into one of our A-Doubles. Basically a road train, but it's on the PBS permit scheme, which lets us run two 40-foot trailers all the way into the port. So the only real difference between this and a conventional road train is the short drawbar in the middle. And with two 40-foot trailers on, that brings us down under 30 metres. So by definition, we're a long vehicle and not a road train. And being not a road train, we have to run a long vehicle sign on the back, not a road train sign. And also on the front of the vehicle, we run a long vehicle sign instead of a road train again, because we're only 30 metres long. But because we're basically in a road train configuration, we have to abide by all of the road train rules. The main one being, we can only run at 90 kilometres an hour, which is about 55 mile an hour. But when your limit is up around 82.5 tonne, speed isn't really your friend when you've got to try and pull them up. Alright, we're done at Dalby. I'm going to paddle back down the hill now and drop these off at the port for export. So we've just weighed out here, and all up we're just shy of 80 tonne. So I don't mind coming out here for a change. Beats running up and down the Bruce Highway all the time. It's nice and quiet, nice and flat. All I can hear out here is a little bit of a breeze. Those little sparrow bloody things chirping just over there. Ones you see hanging around the servo early in the morning when it's nice and quiet. we made it back to Brisbane safely. Got those cotton boxes unloaded. We've preloaded for tomorrow and we're off to Goondiwindi. See you then. Alrighty, it's the next morning. We're on our way out to Goondiwindi. We've stopped here at the United at Southbrook for smoko. We'll have a look around here. Well, this used to be a dirty, filthy little dust bowl where most of the southbound road trains used to hook up and disappear into the night. But the government has finished the second Toowoomba range crossing, and now you can take a class 1 road train all the way into Gatton. No one needs this place to hook road trains up anymore. So I guess it just proves that you can polish a turd. But who wants a polished turd?
Chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23. But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights. And you filled the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Lady is far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we. Think of you now, though my memories turning bleak. I'm still walking this road, though my knees they are ever so weak. I never thanked you for putting your faith on a bum like me, yeah. And wherever you are, I think it's here you were meant to be.
So old mate and that oversize that we followed in, got to park up here in Goondiwindi. The grain inspectors have got to come out and have a look at that harvester before he's allowed to travel any further west, so there's no cross-contamination between product. Alrighty, I went to edit this video and it seems that I was a little keen to come home Friday afternoon for our 3-day weekend and I forgot to pick the camera up. So now it's Tuesday afternoon and here's the outro for this week's video. So I must have had a few liquid refreshments there Saturday night and someone thought it was a good idea, me, to give Emily the hair clippers to give Grandpa a haircut. So Emily picked up the clippers and gave Grandpa a haircut. I think she did a pretty good job. I think my hairdresser would beg to differ, but oh, you get that. So what do you think of Grandpa's haircut? Is it pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Really? You think it's pretty good?
I got the hiccups too.
You got the hiccups?
Yeah.
How come you got the hiccups?
But I got the hiccups without in my tummy.
That's
And
'cause
he
you
got
keep eating.
around in my tummy and he got swelling in it.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Okay. Well, now that we know that, it's all good. So what do we say at the end? All right. First we say, hug your missus, hug your kids,
Happy kids.
and we'll see you down the road.
We see you down the road.
Well done.
Show me to turn it up, see it the word and see it in the TV.
Yeah, well, when I do the editing and we put it on the computer, we can put it on the TV.